Everyone tells you cloud AI is the only way to get high-end performance. They're wrong. The ease of the cloud is a trap. You're trading your private data, your intellectual property, and your creative freedom for a monthly subscription. I've spent hundreds of hours benchmarking local models against the giants. I've pushed RTX cards to their limit and navigated the chaos of Hugging Face. What I discovered is that the gap between cloud easy and local powerful has officially closed. Today, I'm giving you the blueprint for the ultimate local LLM stack. We're pairing Ollama for the backend with Open WebUI for a world-class interface. You're going to get a private, uncensored AI powerhouse running on your own hardware. No filters, no data leaks, no monthly bills. Let's build it. Most people take the easy path. They sign up for a subscription, plug in a credit card, and start prompting. It feels like magic. But that ease comes with a hidden tax. Your data isn't yours anymore. Every prompt, every proprietary business secret, every personal thought is being fed into a corporate black box to train the next version. Then there are the guardrails. You're fighting a digital nanny. You ask a complex, nuanced question, and the AI lectures you on ethics instead of giving you the answer. Think about that. You're paying a monthly fee to be censored. And the worst part, you're building your entire professional workflow on rented land. One API update, one account ban, or one server outage, and your productivity hits a brick wall. You don't own the intelligence. You're just leasing it. That's the trap. The easy cloud setup is actually a cage. You've traded your privacy and your autonomy for a convenient UI. So how do we escape the cloud trap? You build your own local AI stack. We're talking about a setup where you own the weights, you own the data, and no corporation can tell you what you can or cannot ask. The gold standard right now, Ollama paired with Open WebUI. First, let's talk about the engine, Ollama. Think of Ollama as the backend. It handles the heavy lifting of loading the model into your VRAM and managing the inference. In the past, running a local LLM required a PhD in Linux. Now, it's a single install. One command in your terminal, Ollama run Llama 3, and you have a world-class model running on your hardware. No API keys, no monthly subscriptions, no usage limits. But let's be honest, a terminal window is boring. You want a professional interface. That's where Open WebUI comes in. This is a self-hosted web interface that mimics the ChatGPT experience almost perfectly. You get chat histories, document uploads for RAG, and the ability to switch between different models on the fly. Because it runs in a Docker container, it stays isolated and secure. It connects to Ollama in the background, giving you the power of a local engine with the polish of a SaaS product. Now let's address the elephant in the room, hardware. Local AI lives and dies by VRAM. If you want speed and intelligence, you need an NVIDIA RTX GPU. The 3090 or 4090 are the sweet spots because of that 24 GB of VRAM. If you're on a Mac, Apple Silicon is a cheat code. Since M-series chips use unified memory, your GPU can tap into your system RAM. But here is the real reason to do this: freedom. When you run a local, uncensored model, the guardrails disappear. No corporate lecturing, no filtered responses, just raw, unfiltered intelligence. Your data never leaves your local network. Your prompts aren't being used to train the next version of a corporate model. It is truly private AI. If you don't have the hardware at home, you don't have to give up. You can rent a high-end GPU on RunPod or Lambda Labs. You get the same privacy and freedom, but you're renting a powerhouse H100 or A100 in the cloud. You pay by the hour, you spin it up, you do your work, and you kill the instance. That is how you scale without selling your soul to a subscription model. Now, to run this locally, you need VRAM. I recommend the NVIDIA RTX series, specifically the 3090 or 4090 for that 24 GB buffer. If you aren't ready to drop $1,000 on hardware, check RunPod or Lambda Labs in the description. They let you rent high-end H100s by the hour to test these models before you commit. The result: total autonomy. No monthly subscriptions. No as an AI language model lectures. Just raw, uncensored performance on your own terms. Your data never leaves your room. That is the real power move. If you're ready to stop renting your intelligence and start owning it, hit that subscribe button. All the links to Ollama and the GPU providers are waiting for you below. Go build your private stack. I'll see you in the next one.